Greetings everybody, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I'm going to show you how to make boiled broccoli. So we're going to boil some broccoli today. It's already been cleaned. You can go ahead and cut this part off, and then you'll have where you can kind of break the pieces off. But I'm okay with them. I'll just do a few of them so you can see. I'm okay with putting them in the pan just as is though, because I like the bigger pieces. But you can cut them down a little smaller, or you can eat them. It's totally up to you. Okay, so I've already salted my water, and it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So let's go ahead on over to the stove. All right, so we're going to add our broccoli into our salted water, and we will put the lid on. Going to also add a little pepper. And a little cayenne. I like a lot of cayenne, although I said a little cayenne. Again, it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes. And then it's pretty much done. Just listening to some soothing meditation music, get some good energy going in my place. You can put soy sauce, liquid aminos, or coconut aminos. You can even add garlic powder, onion powder, whatever you like on your broccoli. And as a matter of fact, I am going to add a little garlic powder. And you can cover the broccoli, but you don't have to. I usually put the fire up medium to high, so they can start going pretty quick. I like to keep the lid on to keep the heat in, but since I've already taken the lid off, let's go ahead and add some onion powder too. And I have the fire on kind of medium, so I'm just going to turn it up a little bit more. So what's going to happen is basically the color is going to change ever so slightly. And then it's pretty much done. And in less than 5 minutes, we will have some broccoli. I'm going to say that the water might be boiling now. Yep. Yep. Let's see. Now, of course, the spices are going to fall off in the water, but it's pretty much done. Because I don't like to overcook them. They'll still have a bit of a crunch. Almost like what you would get if you went to a Chinese restaurant and you had them steamed, because they do steamed vegetables. Or if you had them sauteed as well. They don't cook them very long, because they don't take very long to cook. So the color has changed ever so slightly. And again, they're basically done. And I'll put another piece of broccoli so you can see the difference. The color just changed a little bit. And so once that color changes, they're pretty much done. And we'll go ahead and plate it up. I've already started my plating. When we cook them this way, it basically maintains majority of the nutrition in any vegetable that you steam. When you cook them longer, you pretty much, the nutrients is in the water. And you want the nutrients in your body. So I'm gonna go ahead and try one. Remember, I salted the water, so they will have some flavor. Spicy. But they could use a little more salt for me. So instead of using salt, I'm going to use the Bragg's liquid amino. And stir them up a little bit. And then give another piece a try. That's better. I'm also going to just put a little bit of lime juice. Just a little bit. That just adds some more flavor to it. Almost like putting lemon juice on your salad. Kind of the same concept. Yes. Delicioso. Alright, if you decide to steam or boil some broccoli, I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that this was helpful. Love y'all. Later.